The stress of the housing crisis isn't just about the cost of a roof. It is about the cost of keeping that roof functional. For millions of people right now, opening a utility bill has become a moment of pure dread. The skyrocketing cost of heating, electricity, and basic energy has introduced a new kind of chronic stress into the household: the literal cost of staying warm. When you are constantly hesitating before turning on the heat, or watching a smart meter tick upward with every minute of electricity used, your brain is living under a siege of low-grade panic. This continuous financial anxiety acts like a slow leak in your mental fuel tank. It ruins your focus, keeps your nervous system on edge, and makes it impossible to think about long-term success when you are locked in a daily battle against immediate bills. Living in a cold, stressful environment affects your biology, your sleep quality, and your ability to execute your daily routine. But you must realize that you can outsmart this energy trap without letting it break your spirit. Surviving the energy panic requires an analytical, hyper-practical approach to both your environment and your mindset. The first micro-realistic tip is to shift your focus from heating the space to heating the person. Standard central heating is incredibly inefficient and financially draining in an older or poorly insulated building. Instead of trying to warm an entire structural room, create a hyper-localized microclimate. Invest in a high-quality, low-wattage electric heated blanket or a heated vest. These devices consume a tiny fraction of the electricity used by a standard wall heater, drawing minimal power while keeping your core body temperature perfectly stable. Combine this with strategic layering using thermal base layers, wool socks, and a beanie to prevent heat loss from your head. By mechanically insulating your body instead of trying to heat empty air, you slash your energy consumption while keeping your physical machine comfortable enough to focus and execute. The second creative strategy is to aggressively audit and eliminate your home's thermal leaks. A massive amount of the money you pay for heating is literally flying out of window gaps and under doors. Take a mechanical, proactive approach to insulation. Use cheap weather stripping tape or simple silicone sealant to close gaps around your window frames. Roll up old towels or use heavy fabric to create DIY draft excluders for the bottom of every exterior door. Hang heavy, thermal-lined curtains over windows or use a simple sheet of bubble wrap sprayed with water to stick directly to the glass as a free layer of double glazing insulation. In the kitchen, optimize your cooking appliances. A microwave, an air fryer, or a slow cooker uses significantly less energy than a full-size traditional oven. When you boil water, always use an electric kettle with only the exact amount you need, and keep a lid on pots to trap the heat and cook faster. These tiny, disciplined adjustments compound into major financial relief at the end of the month, transforming passive worry into active cost management. The third tip is to leverage external resources and community support systems to offset the pressure. Many people suffer in silence out of a sense of shame, completely unaware of the safety nets available to them. Research local government utility grants, weatherization assistance programs, and winter energy discounts that you might qualify for. Contact your utility provider directly and request to be placed on a vulnerable customer register or a balanced billing plan, which flattens out seasonal spikes into predictable, manageable monthly costs. Look for local libraries, co-working spaces, and community hubs that offer free, heated, and connected environments where you can spend your peak working hours, allowing you to run your home on absolute minimum power during the day. Do not view these adjustments as a defeat. They are the calculated tactics of an executor managing resources through a storm. The current economic landscape may be harsh, but you are tougher than the environment you are navigating. Stop letting the fear of the next bill freeze your ability to progress. Build your internal fortress, secure your immediate environment, and keep pushing forward with your machine-like grind. Stay disciplined, execute your survival plan, and protect your energy baseline at all costs. That is the ultimate blueprint for outlasting the cold and building a high-leverage life.